Day in the life. Let's see if you really trap.
Lemoy.
Lemoy what?
Lemoy.
Where you from, little girl?
Mount Vernon.
Okay, you looking up. Can I see your fit? Can I get a fit check? Can I get a fit check? Can you stand up? Can you stand up for me? Can I get a fit check? Okay. See you with your Marys on. Go to Marys. See you, Lemoy. Okay. Can I get a little spin? Can you get a little spin? Okay, okay, I see you. Looking like you're looking all cute and stuff. Dab me up, dab me up. Yeah. What you about to do? Oh, you're gonna do the BRUVS handshake? Yeah, girly. What's up? It's your boy BJ from BRUVS, looking all roughski, but you know it is what it is. We are about to do the nature cereal thing on the I be seeing on TikTok with the the raspberries and the blueberries and the pomegranate seeds with the ice and the coconut water. So Lemoy and I are about to go to Stop Shop. About to just get it started. Let me get it started. Oh, he the plug. Ride around forward. Call me Kobe. 24 Kobe. Okay, I see you got the driver's seat. Close the door, close the door, close the door now. Close the door, Lemoy. Yeah, I see you, big driver. Come on, big driver. Dab me up, big driver. Alright. So Lemoy and I are now at the supermarket. Let's go. Upsies. Okay. So here we go. We're on our way. We're on our way to get this nature cereal, right?
Yeah.
We're ready to eat some cereal with no milk. It's just coconut water and ice.
Ew.
And fruits.
Ew.
You say that's ill?
No, fruits are not ew, but
that's not
no
ill, baby.
Milk.
No milk, baby.
Yummy.
No milk. You about to have nothing. It's gonna be straight sweetened by fruits. That's what we doing today. Sitting in your little car seat thing.
Why?
I'm not holding you.
Why not?
You fall? You're gonna fall. Try. Go try.
Here.
You're gonna fall. You're not falling. You're actually not falling. Look, you gotta put this down.
I did it. I did it, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see you, girl. I see how you tried and you did it. What? I'm not getting you no cookies. I'm not getting none of that. We came here for healthy stuff. We're making nature cereal.
We're making nature cereal.
So we gotta get raspberries.
You gotta get raspberries.
You gotta get coconut water.
You gotta get coconut water.
You gotta get blueberries.
Blueberries.
So blueberries, raspberries, coconut water. So the raspberries are right here.
Right here.
You gotta turn the camera. Yeah, okay, I see you, Lemoy. You a vlogger? Okay. So look, raspberries, blueberries. I see you, Lemoy. You a vlogger. I know you can vlog. You gotta show your face. Yeah, Lemoy. Yeah, Lemoy the vlogger.
What you looking at?
I'm looking at you. What we need now? We got raspberries, blueberries. What else we need to get? Coconut water, right?
Yep, coconut water.
Oh, we need pomegranate seeds.
Yeah, we need pomegranates.
Pomegranate seeds.
Oh.
We're good. Don't drop it. Put this in right hand, right here. So you don't drop it. There you go.
We gotta find the pomegranate seeds. What? The what? The what?
You see. That's why you had to put it on your hand. You just dropped it. You see?
The what?
Put it on your hand still. See?
The what?
The pomegranate seeds.
The pomegranate seeds.
I can't find it.
Coconut water. Coconut water. Coconut water. Now we find the coconut water.
You gotta talk to the camera. Like you gotta tell them. Like look. Yeah, look in the camera and talk to the camera.
We find the coconut water now.
Okay. That's how you
Coconut
doing. That's how you gotta do it.
Right over here.
There we go.
There's other type too.
Here we go. Now we need the pomegranate seeds and we got ice at the house, right?
Yeah.
You gotta be better ice, so you gotta get the. Now you gotta get the pomegranate seeds.
Now I gotta get the pomegranate seeds. Oh, zoom in.
It's not zoomed in.
I don't like it. Wow. Whatever it looks like, I don't like it. Look at my face.
Oh, we need ice. Oh wow, forgot the ice. What's up, it's your boy. I'm here with Lamoy. What are you doing?
You're blocking again, man.
Anyway, it's your boy. I'm here with.
Lamoy.
Okay, it's your boy BJ. I'm here with.
Lamoy.
You gotta say your girl.
Lamoy.
Say it's your girl Lamoy, and I'm with.
Girl.
Look. I'm gonna say it's your boy BJ, and you gotta say it's your girl Lamoy. And we are BJ and Lamoy, alright? Hey, it's your boy BJ.
And a girl. Lamoy.
It's your. Stop being so nervous. You gotta.
And girl Lamoy.
It's your girl. Say it's.
It's
your girl.
Girl.
Lamoy.
Lamoy.
And it's
And
the BJ and Lamoy show.
The BJ and Lamoy show.
Okay. It's your boy BJ.
And Lamoy.
No, you gotta say it's your girl.
It's your girl.
Lamoy.
Lamoy.
And then at the same time, goes, it's your boy BJ.
And your girl. Named Lamoy.
And it's the BJ and Lamoy show.
And it's the BJ and Lamoy show.
Okay. Good effort. At least you tried, man. As long as you tried something, you're doing good. Well, today, well, matter of fact, we should go wash these.
Why?
So I'm gonna go wash these real quick, and I'm gonna come back. Like a hair, right?
Yeah. It's got hair in it.
Gonna wash these hairy ass dirties and come right back. Look, let me tell you what happened, man. We went to the supermarket, and for some odd reason, they chose not to have any pomegranate seeds. So we had to go the super extra hard way for no reason. We had to actually buy the whole pomegranate. Extraness, but I appreciate it though. You know, just gotta appreciate it sometimes because you know it probably wasn't the time for us to need to out. Shut up, BJ. You know what I'm talking about. I don't know how to cut a pomegranate. I never did this before. I did this when I was younger, but so I'm just cut it down the middle. You know? Oh, this thing is leaking. This pomegranate leaking. Yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, Lamar, you ready? Is that Toya? Hey, Toyas. Dude, this is like a tomato. Lamar, don't like a tomato? Looks like a tomato? Are you ready now?
Yes.
Okay. So this
When
is.
you fill out your pocket.
Okay. This is your half. This is my half. So
I don't know.
we gotta pluck out the seeds. So we're gonna get your bowl.
Those are the seeds right there?
Yeah, these are the pomegranate seeds. So we gotta pluck the seeds out. Like that.
They look easy.
But
They look kind of easy but hard at the same time.
we're plucking the seeds out.
Mm-hmm.
You want a lot of seeds or a little bit of seeds?
Just a little bit.
A little bit.
I don't know.
Okay. I see you pomegranate plucking out professional. The professional pomegranate plucker. Oh, that was tough. PPP.
That was hard to
PPP.
get out.
The professional pomegranate plucker.
That one can't get out.
Look a little bit more like that.
That's a lot of pomegranate.
Yeah, let's get this right here.
I did not think the pomegranate seeds would look like that. That looks so ugly.
Look ugly? You don't
Yes.
think it look good?
It does.
Right here. That's the most. Now we're gonna get mine. Gonna make my bowl.
Smell funky.
Smell funky.
Like,
Natural cereal.
oh.
Yeah. We're natural cereal up right now. We're TikTokers. Just like it? It's sour, right? It's bad sour.
It's so sour. Can I have my own?
Oh, wow, okay. You being bougie today, whatever. Alright. Oh, matter of fact, we gotta put the raspberries in first. Okay. Let me know when to stop putting your raspberries in. You do it yourself. You're a big girl. Do it yourself. Just put how much you want in there. That's good? Okay.
I want a little bit of raspberry.
Alright.
Look hairy.
Look hairy, right? Like little hairs on it, right?
Yeah, look like little hairs on it or something.
Come.
All over it. I don't like blueberries that much, so I'm gonna have a little
You
bit.
don't like blueberries that much?
No?
For real?
No.
Wow, Lamont, you don't like blueberries.
I don't like blueberries. I tasted before and it's so nasty.
So Lamont, what's this, man?
I put a little bit.
What's right here? Look at my bowl. My bowl looking all nice and stuff.
Mine was looking better than yours.
Yours does not look better than mine.
Let's give me some more raspberries.
You just said. Now hold on. Yeah, I think you the ice. Chill out.
Up. I thought you said you got the ice. How would you even do that? Oh no. Oh no.
You got some big cute ears, right?
Oh no. You love ice a lot.
You want more ice?
Yes.
Come.
Now I'm gonna pour it in.
Don't put. Oh, you go. How much you gonna put in there?
I'll put a little bit.
That's good. Alright, let me put some in mine.
You put the whole entire thing? You crazy. You crazy. You are crazy.
I'm not. Oh, hopefully I didn't waste this right here. Hopefully this actually tastes good. Natural. That's nature's syrup right there, you know.
Tasted it.
I'm gonna get you a spoon. TikToker.
You a
Little TikToker.
You a little TikToker.
Let's see. Here, take a spoon.
I put all of mine in there. I got to taste the rabbit.
Hold on. We gotta do a thumbnail.
Really?
Hold it up. Alright.
They could already see it
Smile?
from
Okay. Let's try it.
I don't think so on dried blueberries at all.
I'm gonna try to. Hold on. Yeah, get some. Hold on. We gotta try it at the same time. Get some ice. Get some blueberries on it. Get some ice, some blueberries. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Where you going? You don't like it?
No. I'm not like
Alright, try blueberries. I like it. It tastes good to me. I like it.
I know what blueberries taste like already.
You know what? It's a big piece of ice on one.
I take the pomegranate seeds, the raspberry.
I'm not
I
lying.
already know what
It's pretty good.
a blueberry tastes like, and it's disgusting.
No, you gotta take my. Let me show you. Get the pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate, yeah. Not that big ice though. Yeah, try pomegranate seed.
I tried it with the raspberry.
This is bussin'.
You spit out with the raspberry. This is one pomegranate seed. I mean,
No, what is it?
blueberry.
No, I would eat this a lot. It's pretty good, what? Oh my gosh.
Not so good to me.
It's a bussin'. Oh,
I don't know if it's good.
what you wildin'? This tastes like nature cereal. Like it tastes exactly what it sounds like.
Is it?
And I don't like raspberry like that, but this, awesome.
Like this, BJ?
Yeah. Like that. Yeah, try that. You gotta eat it. Lamar, you gotta eat it. Taste the thing. Taste it.
Yo. Because you didn't let me go. Spit it out in the garbage.
Yeah, we're done. I'm done with the video. It's too much crazy. So you don't like it?
I don't like the raspberries or I don't like the ice.
You like the ice with the coconut water mixture. But you don't like no raspberries, no blueberries. The pomegranates, like pomegranates?
I didn't even taste the pomegranate.
Let me get it for you. Do some palmer. Here, look.
A bee!
Look, some palmer. Try the palmer. With a little, sit there like a syrup. Come on. Oh, damn. You like it? Come on, what's up? Stop spitting it back in here.
Because you won't let me go there.
Don't eat no more. Don't eat no more. Now. You spitting it back in there. All right, well, guys. I mean, bruv and bruvettes. I enjoyed my nature cereal. Lamar didn't enjoy it, obviously. But I enjoyed mine. You know, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. To the BJ and Lamar show. Hope y'all enjoyed. I'm out. You out? You done? Pieces, deuces.